What's going on, guys? It's Jake here, and today we are making a Game Boy, all just because I ripped my pants. Look, I'm sorry I wasn't able to stream on Monday. I've been struggling with whether or not I should even bring it up, but I wanted to quickly mention it. Like, I want to address it, but if you're watching this in the future, you might be thinking, Jake, your stream was fine, I don't know what you're talking about. Or, Jake, me and 5 million others had a blast watching you in crystal clear 4D at 20K with absolutely 0 frame drops. I don't know how far in the future you're watching this, and I don't know what streams are going to be like then. I gotta cover all my bases. Alright, this bit has gone on long enough, so let me explain what I need to explain. So on Monday I tried to stream, and first of all it went bad because I was going to do a GBA, and then the GBA did not work at all. It was DOA, there was tons of corrosion and rust, and it just was not fixable. I'm sorry. Then I was like, okay, I'll do a macro, and then, oh, guess what? Streams had problems. The stream health was not good. No matter what I did, I tried tons of different settings on 2 separate days. I could not get the stream to work, and I still don't know why. So I'm going to try and figure that out this week somehow, so hopefully it's better for Monday. Did you get all that? Also, the other reason why I'm saying this and trying to make it as entertaining as possible is because I never formally announced that I'm streaming at noon on Mondays now. Instead of a video for every mod Monday, I'm doing a stream where I just mod something live, so I don't have to do 2 videos a week, because that's a lot of editing and that's my least favorite part of all of this. But I can still get 2 pieces of entertainment out to you every week. So yeah, now this is a very long bit. Let's just cut to the video where I do the same thing I did a couple weeks ago, but it's slightly different this time. So a couple weeks ago, tragedy struck. Tragedy struck when I was trying to put on my pants. Very hard to talk about. So thankfully, my very nice and expensive camera was conveniently pointed and rolling directly at me when the incident occurred. I can't talk about it anymore, so let's just roll the clip. Just, come on. Oh! My butt is just too voluptuous for my jeans. It's just so big and like out there. After crying over the death of my jeans for 43 minutes and 37 seconds, I realized everything would be okay because baby got back. Then, like any normal person would, I thought I'd use this opportunity to make a Game Boy. I threw my destroyed denim on the table and cut that bad boy up with the fabric scissors my mom accidentally bought that Amazon refused to take back. If you watched my Fuzzy Boy video, you know the drill. Cut it to size, shoot web like Spidey, cut it up more, and put it all back together. Also, like last time, I had to fix the lines on the screen, and let me tell you, it was indeed a doozy. It took 15 minutes of me rubbing the screen with my soldering iron to finally get rid of all the lines. Around the 10-minute mark, I thought I may never fix it, but don't worry, I did. I'm so sorry if I scared you by making you think that I wasn't gonna fix it. It wasn't the most fun 15 minutes, but I'm just glad I cleaned my soldering iron this time. So here it is, the Denim Demon, the Gene Machine, the Apple Bottom Boy? I don't know what to call this thing. Let me know in the comments what you think this thing should be called. I also don't know what else to do for this video. It's not like it was a hard or technical challenge. Everything works normally. But yeah, this is a Game Boy with jeans on it. It feels good in the hands, but not quite as comfortable as the Fuzzy Boy. Don't do this to your Game Boy. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, listen to Britney. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Only 1% of my viewers are actually subscribed. If you want to help support me even further, you can check out my website where I sell cool things like modded Game Boys and cool shirts. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. You can support me on Patreon and get your names on screen like these guys here. But if all you can do is like and subscribe, that's totally okay. It's free and both do really go a long way. That's gonna be it from me, but don't forget Be true to yourself, don't miss your chance, and you won't end up like the fool who ripped his pants. Later, guys. Do not try this at home. You guys really thought I was gonna do that?